Hi, just wash my face. You can see my skin conditions is very bad, very dry. I think is most of the time indoor. They have the air conditioning in the hotel, and of course they don't have air filter in it, right? So once a while I purchase some what you call something to clean the air, but not an air filter, something like an ultra the lighting things, and also to remove the smell from my cooking. But today the topics is not about that. It's about something that I have just purchased, and so we can just wait and see is it effective for my skin, something like this. Remember, I have purchased something before, but I hardly use it because it's not comfortable, okay, and it's heavy. This one is very light. Let me hook it up first. This is the remote for I'm not sure, like I think I'm in the maybe like this in it. The first one is the power, second is the lighting, what type of light, and the last one is temperature. Okay, let me plug this first. Okay, it's plugged. Before I put it on, I thought when I get it, I thought this hairy, very smooth part is for my face, and the other part is for outside like this. So this strap is adjustable, but when I on it, then I know I'm wrong, so I have to redo the strap and turn it the other way around. See? Red. This post is orange, I think. It's so odd. I see yellow here, but from the reflections of my not camera, my phone, the case is like orangey red. So the next is green, blue, this is pink or violet pink. That's it. So for the functions of whatever, I will put it down the descriptions. I can't remember everything in my head. I know if like the bluish one is from like if you have a lot of pimples, the red one is anti-aging. So just like this. I have a mirror here. Because my hair is still a little bit damp. And it's quite comfortable, this one. And even though you can see the lighting is around the eyes area, but it's not too bad. Like maybe the LED is not too strong. I'm not sure like how deep this one can go. Okay, it's come in the big box, and it's only come in with so-called instructions. Can I? Yeah. Okay. I think this one will be very nice in winter time because of the warm temperature. And it doesn't tell much actually. It's only tell like you cannot like put in water or high temperature, something like that, or under the bed, the blanket, and said like better not to use during the rainy, thundering time. And it's not washable. And it said when you use it, you have to have like bare, clean skin. Don't use it in the under the sun and in the toilet. And it's not for medications usage. Don't fold it too much for long hours, etc., etc. Okay, I'm not selling the things. Okay, and it's not for the people like babies who cannot handle heat. Let me see. And then the last button, now is the green, is quite warm, but it's not too bad. It's warm, like is not as warm as when you wash your face with hot water. Okay, it's not that much. Too bad I don't have a thermometer with me. If you want to know, have to wait until maybe if I need to quarantine of the 14 days quarantine plus 7 to China, because my thermometer is in the house. I have to quarantine 14 days, and I'm planning to go to leaving Hong Kong around the November 11th. And then I need to quarantine for 14 days and then 7 days at home, suppose. But if the health department or the pandemic department if they think they will contact my house area or the village or the estate area. If they say no, we don't welcome anyone stay home quarantine, then we have to quarantine the last 7 days in the hotel. That's been 21 days. Hopefully the policy change within a month, then I don't need to quarantine for so long. And in Hong Kong, we don't have local case over 40 plus days. Over 40 plus days. No local case. Yeah. Lucky I check. It's only record for 10 minutes and is out. So I have just removed the mask and I feel my face is softer even though bare skin. Time will tell and see how well the LED lasts. Remember the one I have used before, the Japanese one, that my favorite? Um, I lost the power adapters, that's why I cannot use it. That is my favorite one, the square one, the Doctor something, yeah, the discontinued products, because that one can go into, is it 800 or 680 nano nm, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. The other things that I want to share is the curler. Oh, okay. Mascara curler. It's not nothing special. It's just like you can select the temperature: 55, 65, 75, and 85. And you can see it's become white. It's turning white. That means the temperature is adding on it. Last time I tried on is fine. Nothing really special about it, and is type C rechargeable. It's come with the charger and the cleaner, and also it's come with a mascara. The other things that I have purchased is some brushes. It's called Chantical, but I'm not sure. It's look like it. That I have one with me. This one is the eyebrow brushes. I need something stiffer and longer, easier to draw. This is good enough. And this one, it says makeup forever. It's look like it. And it's very cheap. This one is the blender or whatever. I don't really follow the rules like what the brush is for. I just like to use like the shape if I feel like the shape for what, and then I just use it for whatever. No fixed rules. Is only like for beginner. They never have any experience. They might want to follow the suggestions of like, oh, this is a foundation brush, that is a concealer brush, but as long as you like it, wherever you like to use it, it's fine. Okay. I will give you an update after I really tried on the colors. Since I don't have much with me, you can see it's all turning white. This one is used the heat. Of course, like if your mascara is like, I'm not sure my mascara can use this one. Yeah, I forgot about it. Because my mascara that I like, you can remove it with warm water. Maybe this one will just melt it. Let's see. I know I'm very dumb. Some of the things that I should have bring with me and I didn't. It's because so stressful. Like when I packing, my father just oh, don't bring everything. It's better not to bring anything. And then he keep packing my things to others people. You know, I'm so stressed already when I'm packing, and then he just disturbing me. Anyhow, yeah, thank you so much for your time. I'm trying to, I'm interested in some Chinese skincare products, since the other things that you might already have experience with the big brands. Yeah, I would like to make another video about like second thought of the big brands. Okay, thank you, bye bye.